In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename your Canva file. By the end of this quick walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and how to make your design titles clear, consistent, and easy to find across your workspace. Start by opening the project you want to rename. If you're on your Canva home screen, click the design thumbnail to open it in the editor. Once the project is open, take a look at the very top right area of the screen. You'll see your profile icon, and just to the left of it, you'll see the current name of your project. This might be something generic like Untitled Design, or it might be a name you chose earlier. Go ahead and click directly on that project name. The moment you click it, the text becomes editable, just like a regular text field. Now type in your new name. Keep it descriptive so you can recognize it at a glance later. For example, instead of something vague, include details like the purpose, client, or version number. You might write something like Summer Campaign, Instagram Post, V2. This makes it easy to track versions and find the exact design you need without opening multiple files. While naming, avoid characters that can be confusing in file systems, like slashes, and try to use a consistent structure each time. Consistency helps you and your team stay organized, especially when you're managing a lot of designs. When you're happy with the new name, simply press Enter or click anywhere outside the name field to confirm. Canva saves this change automatically, so there's no extra button to press. You'll notice the new name appears right away at the top of the editor. If you head back to your projects later, you'll see the updated title in your folders and recent designs. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you're collaborating, renaming a shared project updates the title for everyone who has access, which helps keep your team aligned. If you don't see the new name update immediately, give it a moment or refresh your browser. Sometimes it's just a brief sync delay. And if you find that you can't click to rename, you might be viewing a file you don't have permission to edit. So check that you're working in the right account and project. That's all there is to it. Click the name beside your profile icon, edit the text, and you're done. Clean, clear file names make your Canva workspace faster to navigate and easier to manage.